Chapter 6. The Respiratory System. The respiratory system is composed of nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, pair of lungs, bronchi, and alveoli. Breathing is occurred by inspiration that happens when the diaphragm contracts, moving downward, and the intercostal muscles expand the size of the chest cavity. That reduces pressure in the chest cavity, and air moves from the outside high pressure to the low pressure inside the lung. Expiration occurs when the diaphragm and intercostal muscle relax, and therefore reduce the size of the chest cavity. This increases air pressure in the chest cavity, and the air moves out. The air is filtered by cilia, which moistened by mucous membrane and warmed by blood flow. At the end of bronchi, there are some branches called bronchioles. In the end of each bronchiole, there are alveolar sacs, which is surrounded by blood capillaries, where gas exchange takes place. During inspiration, atmosphere air fills the alveoli, and the gas exchange occurs between alveoli and the capillary epithelia. The red blood cells in the capillary bind with oxygen and release carbon dioxide into the alveoli. Lung capacity. Tidal volume is the normal breathing volume. Vital capacity is the maximum amount of air that can be moved out of the lungs after maximum inspiration and expiration. Vital capacity volume vary according to age, gender, and health. Transport of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is transported by three different methods. About 5% of carbon dioxide is simply dissolved in the blood, and 5% is combined with amino group in hemoglobin, and 90% is transported as bicarbonate, and this is what we will talk about. In tissues, carbon dioxide will expel into the blood, and carbon dioxide will go inside the red blood corpuscles. An enzyme called carbonic anhydrase converts carbon dioxide and water into carbonic acid. Bicarbonate will be exchanged with chloride from the blood, and the hemoglobin molecule take up the hydrogen ions, which is a type of prefect. The red blood corpuscles will go into the lung, and the process will be reversed. Hydrogen will be released from hemoglobin, which is known as hiding effect. Chloride will be again exchanged with bicarbonate from the blood, which is subsequently dissociated into carbon dioxide and water by carbonic anhydrase. And finally, carbon dioxide will leave the red blood corpuscles into the alveoli, where it is going to be exhaled.